Hola chicos, I just wanted to make a video to tell you guys about important information and steps moving forward regarding Schoology. The first thing that I want to talk about is the gradebook. If you look up here on the left-hand side, it says gradebook. The gradebook for Schoology is a lot different than eSchool. Your gradebook or your grades on Schoology may or may not be the same as when I input it on eSchool, because some things I'll be grading as classwork, other things I'll be grading as quizzes. So if you're looking for your updated average, I go on eSchool, not on Schoology. Okay, Schoology is just telling you guys about the classwork and what you guys get for the classwork. Which brings me to my second point. Your classwork or any kind of activity that you do during my lessons are going to be graded of what you guys get numerically for that activity. So, for example, today you guys have the future tense practice. And whatever you guys get for the future tense practice, if you get an 80, an 85, a 90, that is what will be inputted into eSchool for your participation grade. Anytime that there's a practice for classwork, and I say it within the activity, you have 3 attempts to complete it. So, for example, if I click on future tense practice, it's a multiple choice or fill in the blank activity. If you complete it and you get, let's say, a 70 or an 80 or any grade that you're not happy with, you have a second attempt and a third attempt to complete it. Okay? I will be taking the highest score of those 3 attempts. If you complete it the first time, get 100, you do not have to do the second and third attempt. Which brings me to the last point, is about attendance, and I hope you guys are really paying attention because this is super important. If I go on my Schoology page, my home page, it's right here. This is like more or less of what you guys see. On your screen over here on the right side, it'll be like things that are due, things or like assignments that are due soon. If you just click on that and do my work, it is not going to register as you guys attending my class. In order to receive credit for attendance of my class or that day, every B day, you must do this. You must go into courses. Let's pretend we're in my period 1, and you have to physically click on the class. That is the only way that it registers on Schoology, and that's the only way I will be taking attendance. So if you do not physically go into my class, I'm marking you absent. Okay, it's just a way that they want to monitor us taking attendance. So thank you very much. Once again, number 1, for your gradebook, go on eSchool, not Schoology. Number 2, any activity that you do for classwork, I'll be counting the numeric grade. You have 3 attempts. And then the third thing is attendance. Please make sure you physically come into my class in order to receive credit for that day. Thank you very much. If this ever comes off.